Okay, let's get right to it. Here's a brief for leadership on making our email marketing way smarter with AI. You know the deal. Everyone's inbox is totally packed. It's getting so much harder to actually stand out. Look, email is still a goldmine for us, but the old way of doing things, it's just not cutting it anymore. So, what's the big shift? We're ditching that one-size-fits-all approach for something truly personal and automated. So, how does this actually work? Well, it all comes down to three core pillars. Let's check them out. Pillar number one is smart automation, getting the perfect message to the right person at the exact right time. Think about it. A customer leaves their cart, bam, an email gets triggered automatically. That's it in action. Next up, deep personalization. We're going way beyond hi first name. Every email should feel like a one-to-one conversation. I love this comparison. It's basically like having Netflix recommendations, but right inside every single email. We can swap content on the fly based on what someone's looked at or bought before. It's incredibly powerful. And pillar three is a total game changer, optimal timing, sending that email right when they're most likely to open it. The AI learns everyone's habits, then sends the email at their personal prime time for engagement. Okay, so how do we actually start? The good news is it's a really simple three-step process. First, pick a tool with AI. Second, build out some smart segments. And third, you just let the AI learn and optimize. And a lot of the big platforms you already know, they have this stuff built right in, making it so much easier. So you have to think of AI as more than a tool. It's like having a strategic partner working for you 24/7. And the potential payoff here? We're talking about doubling our conversions, seriously, and with no extra manual work.
So, the only real question left is, are we ready to make our email strategy a whole lot smarter?